Good morning, all. Welcome to the online YouTube channel of Chandigarh Polytechnic College. Today we will discuss about the four-stroke petrol engine. So, what is four-stroke petrol engine? In this, all events of the one cycle. So, what are the events? First one is suction, second one is compression, third is power and exhaust. That take place in a two revolution of a crankshaft. Means two revolution of crankshaft means 720-degree rotation of a crankshaft. In order to complete a one stroke, the crankshaft having 180-degree rotation. There are four types of stroke. First one is suction stroke or intake stroke. Second one is compression. Third one is power, that is also called as the working stroke or expansion stroke. And last one is the exhaust stroke. So let's start with intake stroke or suction stroke. In suction stroke, first we will do the cranking. So what is cranking? Cranking is a process in which crankshaft is either rotated by the electric starting motor or by the momentum of flywheel. So in this stroke, the piston moves from downward from TDC top dead center to the bottom dead center. Here inlet valve is open and outlet valve is closed. When the piston starts moving from inlet to from TDC to BDC, the inside volume that is increased means the space inside space is increased. If inside space is increased, that means pressure is reduced. So here vacuum is created. Due to this vacuum, the outside atmosphere forces the charge. That means the outside forces the charge. Charge is a mixture of air and fuel that enters inside the cylinder. This mixture enters into the cylinder through the inlet valve. This operation continues till the piston reaches at the BDC position. During this period, the crankshaft rotates through 180-degree rotation, means ki half rotation. So this is the suction stroke. Second one is the compression stroke. So what happens in compression stroke? The piston that is at a BDC position that starts toward moving towards the TDC, means from bottom dead centers to the top dead center. Or in this stroke, both valves, inlet and outlet valve, both are closed. The upward movement of piston compresses the charge. Due to the upward movement of piston, the temperature and pressure of charge is increased. So it is dependent on the compression ratio. In petrol engine, we are using the compression ratio that is 5:1 to 9:1. And during this period, the crankshaft again rotates half revolution, that is 180-degree. So up to here, one cycle, one rotation of a one complete revolution of a crankshaft is taken place. So next is power stroke. When piston reaches at the TDC, then a spark is occurred. That spark is produced by the spark plug, and here charge is ignited at a constant volume. The other name of a petrol four-stroke petrol engine, that is constant volume engine or SI engine, spark ignition engine. When spark is produced, then chemical energy of a fuel that is converted into a heat energy. Approximately a temperature of 1800 to 2000 degrees produced. So here gases are produced which having a temperature in a range from 1800 to 2000. So these gases which having high temperature also exert pressure over this piston. So when there is a pressure over the piston starts moving from towards the downward, means the piston moves from TDC to BDC. And in this stroke, both valves are closed, and during this cycle, during this stroke, the crankshaft rotates 180-degree, means ki half revolution. Up to here, the crankshaft having 1.5 rotation. Last stroke is the exhaust stroke. In this, the piston starts moving from BDC to TDC. Inlet valve is closed and outlet valve is opened. So the pressure of these exhaust gases which exert the pressure over this piston, that these exhaust gases having more pressure as compared to the atmospheric pressure. Now the upward movement of piston that pressurize these gases to escape out through this outlet valve. So in this talk, these exhaust gases escape out to the atmosphere, and during this cycle, during this torque, the crankshaft rotates 180-degree rotation, that is half revolution. So total revolutions that are 2 revolution, and there is one power stroke and piston having 4 movements from TDC to BDC. So this is 4-stroke petrol engine. That's all. Thank you for watching.